Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix battle.net agent went to sleep error. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So first step is to run battle.net as run as administrator mode. So for that you need to press run battle.net and open it as run as administrator mode. So the second step is to end battle.net and the agent process. So for that you need to enter into your task manager and please end task the battle.net. Once it's done, please close it. So the third step is to delete the battle.net cache. For that you need to press Windows R and then type percentage program data percentage and then hit enter. Over there you need to choose the file battle.net and then Wizard Entertainment and then delete it. So the fourth step is to scan and repair the game. So for that you need to enter into your battle.net. Over there you can scan your game and just click begin scan to scan it. So it will take some time, so please have some patience to wait on it. So the fifth step is to allow battle.net through Windows security. It's nothing but a firewall. So enter into the firewall and network protection and then allow an app through firewall. So over there please click change settings and scroll down, you may see battle.net launcher. Please check whether the both private and public are enabled. So sixth step is install Windows Update. For that you need to enter into your settings and then Windows Update and then click check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So the seventh step is to run system file checker. For that you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode. Over there please copy the prompt to the description and paste it over there. So it will take sometimes like 5 to 10 minutes, need to be load from 0 to 100. Yeah, once it's done, please copy the second prompt in the description and paste it over there. So same, it need to be load from 0 to 100. Please wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's done, please check the status whether it's success or unsuccess. If in case it's success, good to go. If it's unsuccess, means you need to redo the step again. Yeah, in our case it's completed successfully. So the eighth step is to reinstall battle.net. So for that you need to enter into your settings or apps and installed apps to uninstall it. And then again you need to reinstall the battle.net using a browser or anything else how you installed previously. So once it's done, our ninth step, last step is to restart your PC. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.